Magandang hapon, Bicolandia. This is the semifinals round for Bukal Season 7 Juniors Division. And for this afternoon, we'll be witnessing the battle between Naga College Foundation Cubs and Morms Patriots. This is Amanda Lazaro, and I'll be reporting from the sidelines of Naga College Foundation Cubs. And this afternoon, kasama ko ang team captain ng NCF Cubs. We have jersey number 7, Russell Santiago. Magandang hapon. So, since this is the semifinals round and this is your first time competing laban sa Morms Patriots, paano kayo nag-adjust sa depensa at opensa para matalo sila for the semifinals?
Ang ginawa lang namin yung mga pinagawa ni coach para i-adjust namin yung kalaban namin Ateneo. Ang pinagawa sa amin yung ang play namin, may ginawa kaming kunting i-adjust para sa kalaban namin ang Morms at para din sa yun nga yung parang pagandaan na lang nila ngayon, sila na ang bahala sa amin.
Maraming salamat. Okay, there are more on adjusting the game plans. And bilang team captain, paano mo ililid ang iyong team during the crucial moments laban sa Morms Patriots?
Ang gagawin ko lang, pagsasabihan ko sila at mag-huddle kami sa court. At kung ano man yung mga i-adjust namin, kung ano mga pagkakamali at yun nga, sasabihan ko sila at dapat yun nga, magdepensa lang palagi, huwag magpabaya kasi ang depensa lang ang magpapanalo sa amin.
Okay, good luck. So any message for the NCF community?
And sana manood kayo ngayon sa laro namin ngayon na Dorday at mga family ko dyan sa Puerto Diaz at sina mama nasa Manila ngayon. Panoodin mo po ngayon ang laro namin and mga laro ng mga teammate ko at sana palagi kayo nakasuporta sa amin. And lalo na po na kay Pres Mario andito po ngayon para manood sa laban ngayon. And sa mga NCF po at sa mga teacher namin dyan at sina coach at yung mga kuya ko dyan, mga college, sina Guadis, yun na po, yun lang po.
Maraming salamat, Russell Santiago. This is a do-or-die game between NCF Cubs and Morms Patriots. Yan lamang updates mula dito. Balik sa'yo, Kyla.
Thank you so much, Amanda, for that update on the side of the Naga College Foundation Cubs. Ayan po, napakinggan natin ang preparasyon nitong defending champion, the NCF Cubs. Let's see kung anong execution and also anong preparasyon ba talaga ang ginawa nila para madepensahan ang kanilang kampyonato and of course to secure their spot on the final round. Now,
Pangat ng penmanship ko.
Now, para naman makahingi tayo ng update on the side of the Morms Patriots, we have here our courtside reporter, Nicole, together with the team captain. Nicole, take it away.
Thank you, Kyla. We are back, Bukalistas. This is week 16 of Bukal Season 7, Be the Inspiration. I am Nicole Oliva, your courtside correspondent in the sidelines of Morms Patriots. This is a semifinals game between the Morms Patriots and the NCF Cubs. So we are expecting an electrifying and intense game between the two teams. So I am here with team captain of Morms Patriots, jersey number 3, Lance Radas. So Lance, what are your preparations for this game?
Preparation po namin is kagabi natulog kami ng maaga and sa training po complete po kami palagi and proper yung mga mali po namin sa previous game namin is tinama na namin and sa lalong-lalo po yung free throw namin. Mas sure ball po namin.
Okay, thank you, Lance. So, pwede mo naman i-shout out yung mga supporters ninyo dito.
Shoutout pala sa taga-barangay ko sa Inascan, yung mga barkada ko dyan, and yung aming manager, si Mayor Angie Mangoko. Maraming salamat po sa binigay niyong suporta sa opportunity sa amin na makapaglaro dito. Maraming salamat po.
So, based on Lance's answers, we will be expecting a close-up fight between these two. So, continue watching here in Bukal Facebook page and NXT Sports YouTube channel. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Nicole, for that update on the side of the Morms Patriots. So, in a while po, magsisimula na ang ating bakbakan for the semi-final round. But for now, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have here HCP Pawn Shop, Ngoy Sons, Honorable Nathaniel Odocado, and Elise Sportswear. Maraming salamat po. Now, for the first 5 of the both team, para sa NCF Cubs, ay dito si Lustria. Yung mga dati nilang first 5, Palibino, Santiago, Desquitado, and also Lopez. Dito naman, sa Morms Patriots, andito sila Abache. Now, Morms Patriots basketball, Padaya with the ball. Heavily guarded here. No good on that. Nagdediskarte itong NCF Cubs. Palibino with the ball, heavily guarded. Passes to Santiago. Santiago to Desquitado and a block. Wow. What a block. Padaya for that layup. That's good. Easy 2-pointers for the Morms Patriots. Now, NCF basketball. Palibino with the ball. Looking for his teammate. Andyan si Lucia na malinang pasa. And that is now turnover sa side ng Tigers. Jersey number 3 with the ball. Heavily guarded here. Pass to Abache. Abache to jersey number 4. No good on that. Palibino taking his time. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Andyan si Santiago. As Santiago drives. No good. A steal coming from Abache. Abache to Puche. Now Padayo for 3. No good. NCF basketball, Desquitado, nagmamadali. No good on that layup. Rebounded by Padayaw. What an exciting matchup, everyone. Napakaingay na po dito sa atin na yung gymnasium. Now, a steal coming from Palibino. NCF basketball passes to Desquitado. Now, Santiago with a jumper. No good. Morms Patriots. Jersey number 3 passes to Padayaw. Whistle was called. Pushing foul. Pushing foul. Now, Morms Patriots basketball. Libreng-libre sana yun. Heavily guarded na. Itong si jersey number 73. And a whistle was called by our referee. Jersey number 73 is Abache. Abache po, nanggaling ito sa Genesis Roaring Lions last Bukal Season 6. Hindi sila pinalad na umabot for the semis and finals. And now, he is playing for the first time dito sa Morms Patriots. And naglalaro na siya ngayon for the semi-final round. So, napaka-consistent nitong si Abache ever since na tumungtong siya dito sa Bukal. Now he is on the feature line. Good honest attempt for 2-0. 3-0. 7 minutes and 34 seconds in our time. Wow, what a steal for the Morms. Padaya for 3. Sayang. Jersey number 13 rebounded. Second chance point, but nakuha yun ni Lustria. Palibino to Santiago. Now Lustria for jumper. That's good for Lustria. 3-2. 6 minutes and 57 seconds. So wow, another one for the Morms Patriots from Poche. 5 out of 2 in favor of Morms Patriots. Maganda po ang simula at ang pinapakita ng Morms. Whistle was called here. For jersey number 5 of the Morms Patriots. Now, Santiago will be given here a free throw opportunity. Six minutes and 31 seconds in our first quarter. Good on that, coming from Santiago. Now Morms Patriots. Jersey number 3, atake. Wow, good on that layup. Coming from jersey number 3. 7-3 in favor of Morms Patriots. Palibino with the ball, passes to Lucia. Lucia tries for 3. That's good for Lucia. Foul was called for Abache. Automatically, may possession na ng NCF Cubs. We have Ilustria. Passes to Palibino. Palibino to Lopez. Desquitado looking for his teammate. Andyan si Lucia drives. Now, Lopez no good on that layup. But it's a pushing foul. Morms basketball. Jersey number 3 looking for his teammate. Heavily guarded by Desquitado. Passes to Padre. Now Abache taking his time. Passes to jersey number 5. Again, no good on that jumper. Palibino. No good again. Whistle was called here for the NCF Cubs. 7-5. 2 puntos po ang kalamangan ng Morms Patriots. This is a very important game for the both team because there is no second chance. Kung sino po ang mananalo dito, they will advance to the final round. Mahaba-haba po ang oras. Dikit po ang laban ng both team. Now, good on that for Padayaw. "14 seconds to shoot for the Tigers." Desquitado, turnbound. Desquitado looking for his teammate. Lustria, jumper, no good. Rebounded by Abache. Passes to Padre and Backcourt violation for Padre. NCF basketball. Desquitado tries for 3, no good. Ball possession na ng Morms Patriots. Now, Puche to inbound. Padaya heavily guarded here. Nabitawan. Now, Humbre. Rosedo's gold. Nag-uusap-usap pa po ang ating referees for that last sequence. Now, ball possession po ng Morms Patriots, jersey number 3 to inbound. Puche, heavily guarded here, passes to Padaya. Padaya dives, no good. What a steal. But still, ball possession po ng Tigers. Santiago to Humbre. Humbre for 3. No good. Rebounded by Puche. Automatically turned over out of bounds. Humbre with the ball. Communicating with the teammate. Passes to Lustria. Now Palibino. Whistle was called. Foul for Abache. Substitution. Now Cummins is in. Lustria is out for the NCF Cubs. Turnover. Shoutout naman natin ang ating mga team audience and ating mga team bahay rather. We have here Julian Magadja, our commentator and courtside reporter. Thank you so much po for supporting Bukal Season 7. We also have Carl Sadulio, Kiefer Azanya, Janelle Lumitaw, Danilo Liena, Gabriel Olaires, Chinitang Bicolana, thank you so much for supporting. And we also have Kazel Junela. Maraming salamat po, Team Bahay. Now back to the ball game. Wow, what a move, but no good on that. Humbre to Cummins. Cummins tries for 3, no good. Rebounded by Padaya, passes to Puche. Now, turnover again. Nabitawan. Cummins. Passes to Palibino. Palibino taking his time. 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Santiago to Cummins. Now Lopez. Lopez drives. Humbre for 3. Biten. Padayaw. Wow, what a move again coming from Padayaw. He is really consistent on his play. Mapa-lay up. Napakagaling ng batang ito. Now, NCF basketball. Cummins for 3. No good. Rebounded by Puche. Passes to Padaya. Padaya taking his time. Heavily guarded by Humbre. And whistle was called. Substitution for the NCF Cubs. Nuay, Miranda, and Desquitado is in for the Junior Cubs. Miranda communicating with his teammate. Desquitado, no good. Wow, rebounded by Nuay. Si Nuay na ang kailangan ng Cubs. Now, Padaya with the ball for the Morms. Passes to Asis, but that's a traveling violation for Asis. Tigers basketball. Miranda communicating with his teammate. Cummins tries for three. No good. Rebounded by Padre. Passes to Padayaw. Padayaw to Puche. Wow! What a move! What a 3-pointers coming from Puche. 13-7. 57 seconds remaining. Nuay, reverse, no good. Second chance point na mali ng pasa si Santiago. Padayaw. Wow! Another one for Padayaw. 15-7. 30 seconds remaining. Miranda. Traveling violation. Fifteen to 7, 24 seconds remaining. We can see the determination and eagerness of the Morms Patriots. Wow. What a start for them. Mataba with the ball. Heavily guarded here. Passes to Asis. Now, Tribes, no good. Whistle is called. And will be given here a free throw opportunity. Now, jersey number 22 for the free throw. Good on his first attempt. One out of two for jersey number 22. 6 seconds remaining. Miranda with the ball for the Tigers. Cummins for three. And that's the end of our first quarter. 16-7 in favor of the Morms Patriots. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating second quarter only here because it's in 7. Be the inspiration. Back to the ball game. We are now in our second quarter. 16-7. 9 points po ang kalamangan ng Morms Patriots. Hombre, chin down. Hombre to Miranda. Miranda communicating with his teammate. Shilling. Wow. Still again. But napasobra doon si Regalado. Miranda, chin down. Miranda. Cummins ang higpit ng depensa ng Morms. Humbre for 3, no good. Rebounded here. Second chance point sana, but nakuha yun ni Regalado. Mataba with the ball. Passes to Regalado. Mataba communicating with the teammate. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Nandiyan si jersey number 22. Whistle was called. Foul for Humbre. Blocking foul for Humbre. Now jersey number 22 of the Morms, chain bound. Drives in, no good. Automatically, ball possession will go on the side of the NCF Cubs. Now, Lustria for the substitution. Mahayag is also for the substitution for Regalado. Hombre with the ball. Communicating with the teammate. Passes to Lustria. Now, wow, 3-pointers for Cummins. 6 points na lamang po ang hinahabol ng NCF Cubs. I mean 7 points. Nakakuha ni Shilling. But ball possession pa rin yun ng Morms Patriots. Mataba, heavily guarded by Humbre. Passes to jersey number 2. No good on that. Still. Jersey number 2 goes inside. No good. But the whistle was called here. He will be given here a free throw opportunity. Shout out kay Sofia Francesca Recto watching us live. Thank you so much po. Now, there is an update on the side of the Morms Patriots. We have here our courtside reporter, Nicole. Nicole, anong balita dyan? Now, Lucia for the NCF Cubs. Babalikan po natin si Nicole mamaya. Padayaw. Rebounded by Padayaw. Heavily guarded by Cummins. Now, jersey number 4 for 3. That's good for Puche. They are really determined. They really want to win this game. Ball possession pa rin ng NCF Cubs. Now, timeout. Timeout was called by the Tigers. Let's see if ano ba ang magiging adjustment nila knowing na malaki-laki na po ang kalamangan nitong Worms Patriots. Ano nga ba ang magiging adjustment and execution nila coming back after their huddle? Kitang-kita natin kung gaano kadeterminado itong Worms Patriots to enter the final round of this league. Grabe. Now, back to the ball game, 21-9, 7 minutes and 35 seconds in favor of the Worms Patriots. Now, Desquitado, turnbound. Pass to Kamens. Kamens for 3. No good. Rebounded by Lucia. Lucia. No good on the jumper, but a whistle was gold. And Lucia will be given here a free throw opportunity. Now to give us an update on the side of the Worms Patriots, let's go our courtside reporter Nicole. Nicole, anong update yan?
Thank you, Kyla. Heading into quarter 2, Coach Bergs warns the Worms Patriots no unnecessary fouls and stay disciplined on every close shot. The team continued their strong defensive work by challenging shots, boxing out, and forcing difficult attempts from their rivals. While offensively, they prioritize spacing and easy transition finishes. Coach Bergs reminded the Patriots to secure the boards, talk on defense, and rely on teamwork, as it will help them to show their control and maturity on their pressure. Indeed, Patriots work the ball inside the court and slow the game to their liking. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Nicole, for that update on the side of the Worms Patriots. 7 minutes and 16 seconds. Jersey number 3 goes inside for the jumper. That's good for jersey number 3 of the Worms Patriots. Now, NCF basketball. Desquitado with the ball. Passes to Kamens. Kamens to Lucia. Lucia for 3. That's good again. Coming from Lucia. Kailangan ng mahigpit na depensa nitong NCF Cubs. Dahil both offense and defense, Worms Patriots handang-handa sila. Sayang, hindi pumasok yung 3. NCF basketball. Desquitado goes inside, passes to Lucia. Lucia, wow, what a good move coming from Lucia. Now, para naman makahingi tayo ng update on the side of the Tigers, we have our courtside reporter Amanda. Amanda, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Kyla. We witnessed the tense of the do-or-die game in the first quarter. Unang puntos nga ang ibinigay ni jersey number 11, Lustrea, which quickly followed by his 3 points inside the hard court. The Cubs are reminded to do an extra ball pass sa loob ng hard court dahil yun ang pagkukulang nila kaya hindi nila nakuha ang momentum during the first quarter. Sipag yan ang sabi ng coaches. And once rebounded by the big man, quickly pass it to their teammates. They are keeping it strong together, ready to bounce back for the second quarter. Yan lang mga updates mula dito. Balik sa'yo, Kyla.
Thank you so much, Amanda, for that update on the side of the NCF Cubs. Ano kaya ang gagawin ditong adjustment ng NCF para mas bumaba pa itong kalamangan ng Morms Patriots. Kailangan nila ng mahigpit na depensa and of course, good execution of their offense. Morms Patriots with the ball. Puche. Pass to Padre. Padre, heavily guarded. Napatalsik si Shilling doon. Netong big man na si Padre. Now, Desquitado with the ball. 5 minutes and 57 seconds. On our second quarter. Still again from jersey number 3. Wow, what a good move. Coming from jersey number 3 of the Morms Patriots. Good layup, good execution. Cummins with the ball, heavily guarded here. Passes to Lucia. Lucia for 3. Sayang, rebounded by Regalado. Oh, wow! Nakuha yun ni Nuay. Still, plus a basket para dito kay Nuay. 25-17, 5 minutes and 6 seconds. Padayaw. Passes to jersey number 4. Jersey number 4 is Puche. Four minutes and 58 seconds. Puche, nabitawan. Shilling to Palipino, jumper no good. Noy to Desquitado. Noy is a very big help here. Desquitado, jumper no good. Rebounded by Abache to Puche. Beten. Rebounded by Shilling. Passes to Palibino. Palibino checking inside, communicating with his teammate. Passes to Desquitado. Now Lucia for 3. Beten. Automatically, ball possession will go on the side of the Morms Patriots. Makikita mo na malaking tulong itong Sinuay dito in terms of rebound, box out. Ngayon, substitution. Pinasok si Santiago. Padayaw to Puche for 3, no good. Rebounded by Santiago, passes to Palibino. Palibino. No good on that layup from Santiago. Whistle was called. Now substitution. Jersey number 15, Pagaduan. Padayo with the ball. Passes to Pagaduan. Now Padayo for 3. No good. Rebounded by Desquitado. Desquitado taking his time. Looking for his teammate. Andyan si Santiago. Santiago to Palipino for 3. No good. Rebounded by Regalado. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Sayang, nabitawan ni Abache, but rebounded by Santiago to Desquitado. Desquitado goes inside. That's a traveling violation for Desquitado. Now, 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Padayaw to Puche. Jersey number 19. Now, jersey number 15. Nakuha na sana yun ni Shilling. Pero nandyan si Abache. Drives in. Now for 3. No good. Rebound na mali ng pasa si Shiling. Good on that jumper. 27-17 lamang po dito ang Worms Patriots. Desquitado to Lucia. Lucia for 3. No good. Rebounded by Puche. Communicating with teammate. Andyan si Abache. Libreng-libre. Wow! What a move coming from Abache. Grabe tong Worms. Now, NCF basketball, they need to double their effort for 3. No good. Another steal. Another one for Padaya. We're good on that layup. And timeout was called by the NCF Cubs. Ano kaya ang gagawin nilang adjustment after their huddle sa natitirang 1 minute and 45 seconds ng bakbaka na ito? They need to double their effort dahil sa depensa at proper execution sa opensa na pinapakita ng Worms. They need to do something about it kung gusto nilang madepensahan ang kanilang kampyonato. So let's see if ano ang gagawin nilang pagbawi dito coming up after their huddle. Now, 31-17 in favor of the Worms Patriots. Now, NCF basketball, Worms. A block again. Humbre. To Miranda. Heavily guarded by Mataba. In terms of height, a good move from Santiago. Everyone, in terms of height and the weight, medyo lamang itong Tigers. So they need to maximize their advantage. Wow! What a 3-pointers from Mataba. 34-19, 56 seconds remaining. Miranda with the ball, goes inside, passes to Nuay. Good on that. Nuay again, it's a very big help here sa side ng Cubs. Abache, libreng-libre. Wow! Another 2 points for Abache. Humbre with the ball. Passes to Santiago. Now, Palibino. Palibino goes inside. No good. But a whistle was called here. Palibino will be given here a free throw opportunity. Good on the first attempt of Palibino. 2 out of 2 for him. Now substitution. Puche and assist is in for the Patriots. Mataba with the ball. 9 seconds remaining. Nogalandat, rebounded by Humpre. 2 seconds. And that concludes our second quarter. 36 to 23 in favor of the Morms Patriots. We will be right back after our short break only here at Bukal Season 7, Be the Inspiration.
To the court.
To protecting and saving life.
In times of emergency and disasters.
Making them excellent communicators of safety and security, competent crime and incident report writers, skilled investigators, and well-disciplined student aiming for national standards. Pioneering in EOD and K-9 training in the country. The only school to have immersion program at National Police Training Institute, Region 5. University of Nueva Cáceres College of Criminal Justice Education now offers Bachelor of Forensic Science, first in Bicol.
Welcome to Universidad de Santa Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
What sets us apart? We are trained to offer a practical approach to patient care, delivering globally ready healthcare education. We are immersed in related learning experiences in government and private institutions. With the Bicol Medical Center serving as a base hospital, it gives us the opportunity to learn from a DOH retained tertiary hospital with highly competent staff and world-class facilities. We serve people with excellence and compassion. That is why we choose a partner with the same mission. Ateneo de Naga University, the only PASCO Level 3 re-accredited nursing program in Bicol. We are equipped with skill-specific competencies for each year level that serve as a good foundation and a springboard to the next level. Produced the first Top 1 nursing licensure examination top-notcher in the Bicol region on its 6th year and producing top-notchers since then. In partnership with the local government unit of Miloor, the students impart health teaching sessions and other activities beneficial to the community of barangays Flor de Lis and Balagbag as part of their
Now back to the ball game. We are now on our second half. Our third quarter, 36-23 lamang po ang Morms Patriots. But for now, let's read our halftime analysis. For the score, 23 for the NCF Cubs and 36 for the Morms Patriots. For their field goals, 13 out of 37 for the NCF and 14 out of 30 for the Morms. Now on the free throw, 4 out of 6 for the NCF and 5 out of 7 for the Morms Patriots. In total of rebounds, both defensive and offensive, 17 for the NCF and 13 for the Morms. For the assists, 7 for the NCF and 4 for the Morms. Dito naman sa turnovers, parehas pong 11 ang turnovers ng dalawang koponan. For the second chance points, 4 for the NCF and 3 for the Morms. Let's see kung ano ang mangyayari dito sa second half because ito na po ang magiging final decision kung sino nga ba ang aabante sa final round. Now 39-25, 8 minutes and 55 seconds. So now third quarter. What a reverse coming from Abache. Wow. Mas ganado ang mga batang ito this second half. Now Miranda communicating with his teammate, passes to Gamens. Miranda goes inside, but a steal from Puche. Puche. Wow, again, Abache. Now here's an update on the side of the NCF Cubs. Let's go, our courtside reporter Amanda. Amanda, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Kyla. 43-25, that is the latest score for the third quarter. Home the champions, of course, they won't let their team lose the semifinals games laban sa Morms Patriots. Magandang offensive rebounds nga ang pinakita kanina ni jersey number 7, the team captain of the NCF Cubs, Santiago. During the second quarter, nakita din natin na kinulang sila sa kanilang transition offense, kaya yun ang pinaalala ng coaches na dapat pang i-execute ng NCF Cubs during the game inside the hard court. And Miranda was sent inside to give an extra heavy defense for the NCF Cubs. Effort and defense and 100% commitment. Yan ang paalala ng coaches na dapat ibigay ng NCF Cubs sa third and fourth quarter. 2 remaining quarters, so they must show their aggressiveness. They're now executing their 2-3 zone defense laban sa Morms Patriots, and we will see kung paano nga ba makukuha ng NCF Cubs ang momentum sa loob ng hard court. Bigs or guards, they should box out. Ayan. And of course, dagdag kanina ni jersey number 3 na they should enjoy the game hanggang matapos ito. Yan lang ang updates mula dito. Balik sa'yo, Kyla.
Thank you so much, Amanda, for that update on the side of the NCF Cubs. Now, Morms Patriots with the ball. Jersey number 3. A steal from Schilling. Passes to Desquitado. Desquitado goes inside. Layup. A whistle. The was called. Now, the referee's decision is that Desquitado will be given a free throw opportunity. Now, para naman makahingi tayo ng update on the side of the Morms Patriots, let's go our courtside reporter Nicole. Nicole, anong update dyan?
Thank you, Kyla. We are back, Bucalistas. At halftime, Coach Bergs emphasized to his players to execute with patience and strong defense. Opening the second half, the team stepped up their defensive aggression, reading the opponent's passes and pushing transitions whenever possible. Their discipline allowed them to control the pace, and Coach Bergs advised to stick to our system, do not force shots, and protect every possession. So let's see if the Patriots will advance to finals. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Nicole, sa update dito sa ating Morms Patriots. And now, a steal from Desquitado. Whistle was called. And they will be given again a free throw opportunity. 2 free throw for Desquitado. 6 minutes and 13 seconds. Good on his first attempt. One out of 2 for Desquitado. Whistle does go again, pushing foul. Padayo with the ball. Heavily guarded here. Padayo for 3, no good. Rebounded. Another. Hindi yun sinukuan nitong si jersey number 2 Asis. He is very consistent on his rebound, backs out. Now, Desquitado to Cummins for 3, no good. Morns basketball. Padayo for 3, no good again. Rebounded by Schilling, passes to Desquitado. Desquitado and a steal. Padayo nagmamadali. No good ang layup. Andyan si Padre, hindi pumasok. Heavily guarded ni Schilling, but that's another point for Padre. Wow. What a move from Morms Patriots. Desquitado looking for a teammate. Passes to Lucia. Now Cummins on the inside. Desquitado for 3. No good. Rebounded by Asis. Passes to Padayo. Padayo taking his time, communicating with the teammate. Goes inside for layup, and that's good again from Padayo. Wow. This kid, very consistent, mapa-depensa o opensa. Now Cummins with the ball. Passes to Lucia. Lucia goes inside. Whistle was called. Whistle was called. And Lucia will be given here a free throw opportunity. $19 points na po ang kalamangan ng Morms Patriots. Medyo malayo na. Kailangan ng doble, tripleng effort ng NCF Cubs para makahabol dito sa ginagawang paglamang at sa momentum ng Morms. Good on that. Substitution, Palibino and Hombre. Nabitawan ni Mataba ang bola and automatically that's a turnover. Hombre, chin down. Looking for his teammate. Nabitawan again, but still the ball possession will go on the side of the NCF Cubs. Santiago, jumper, sayang. Jersey number 3. Regarded here, passes to Regalado. Mataba with the ball. Jersey number 3. Regarded by Palibino. Dina still. Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation for the Morms Patriots. Now the ball possession is on the side of the Tigers. Hombre with the ball. Regarded by Mataba. Screen from Schilling now. Hombre to Miranda. Miranda tries for 3. No good. Whistle was called and that was a foul for Regalado. Ball possession will go on the side of the NCF Cubs. Hombre with the ball. Passes to Palibino. Palibino to Schilling. Schilling taking his time. Passes again to Palibino. Now, Miranda drives in, nabitawan, nakuha pa rin. Schilling. Whistle was called. Sunod-sunod na offensive rebound dito sa Tigers. Now Schilling will be given here a free throw opportunity. Schilling. Good on his first attempt. Two out of two for Schilling. 49-33, 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Pagpasok ng fourth quarter, the game will be so much crucial. Especially dito sa naghahabol na score. Foul was called for Santiago. Now, jersey number 29, Padayaw on the free throw line. No good on his first attempt. One out of two for Padayaw. NCF basketball. Hombre with the ball. Heavily guarded here. Passes to Palibino. Now goes inside. Wow, another one for Schilling. Padayaw. Block from Schilling. Passes to Palibino. Nabitawan. But he still recovers. Humbre for 3. Nakuha yun ni Lustrea. Another one! Ito na ba ang sagot na hinahanap ng NCF Cubs? Down to 13 points ang Kalamangan. Padayaw. No good. Nakuha ni Palibino. Palibino heavily guarded. Floater. No good. Rebounded by Abache. Nabitawan, but still the ball possession is on the side of the Patriots. Now substitution Padre. And also Desquitado for the NCF Cubs. Padre, 1 minute and 24 seconds. Morms is on a penalty situation. Padre, pumasok. Good on the jumper from Padre. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Turnover. Dumagdag na naman ang Kalamangan. Now, Padayaw, turnbound. What a move from Mataba. Mataba heavily guarded by Palibino. Passes to jersey number Abache. A steal from Cummins. To Lucia. Lucia, spin move. Goes inside, no good. Padayaw, tinapik. Heavily guarded by Cummins. Abache, heavily guarded. Whistle, there was score again on Abache. He will be given here a free throw opportunity. Good on his first attempt. Now Palibino with the ball. Passes to Desquitado, checking his time, 20 seconds. Desquitado na mali ng pasa. Cummins for 3. Still good. 7 seconds. Padaya drives. Libreng-libre. Si Mataba. Wow. And that concludes our third quarter. Medyo po malaki na ang Kalamangan dito ng Morms. We will see if ano ba ang magiging adjustment dito ng NCF Cubs coming back after their huddle. Manatiling nakatutok dito lang sa Bukal Season 7, Be the Inspiration. Now, back to the ball game. We are now on our last and final quarter. Dito na magkakaalaman kung sino ang uuwi ng panalo and kung sino ang aabante sa final round. Bola ng NCF. Too much pass from Palibino. Morms basketball. 55-37. NCF Cubs should double their effort kung gusto nilang maprotektahan ang kanilang kampyonato. Now, Morms Patriots. Puche. For 3. That's good! Coming from jersey number 4, Puche. Another steal. Turnover, Desquitado. Whistle was gold. (58-37), 9 minutes and 2 seconds. Hombre, chinbound. Hombre drives in, layup, that's good from Hombre. They need to lessen the gap if they want to defend their championship trophy. Tripling effort na po ang kailangan dito. Ball possession na ng Tigers. Hombre, chinbound. Passes to Palibino. Palibino checking his son, communicating with his teammate. Passes to Desquitado. Hombre goes inside. Wow, another one. Good move. Good assist from Desquitado. I mean, from Palibino to Lopez. Now Lopez, 2 points plus a foul. He will be given now a free throw opportunity. Good on that. Matindi na ang depensa ni Palibino. Now, para makahingi tayo ng update on the side of the Morms Patriots, let's go our courtside reporter Nicole. Nicole, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Kyla. For the fourth quarter, Coach Berg's instruction to the Patriots was clear. Focus, hustle hard, and finish strong. The period became a test of will and passion as the team fought for rebounds and open shots. The intensity from the bench of Patriots' internal brief was palpable, with their communication and discipline enabling them to execute and under pressure and stay focused every second. Coach Berg's endgame reminder is to trust one another, close out every possession, and finish it with strong confidence. Capped off with a semi-final performance defined with grit, focus, and teamwork from the Morms Patriots. That's all for the updates. Again, this is Nicole Oliva, your courtside correspondent in the sidelines of Morms Patriots. Back to you, Kyla.
Thank you so much, Nicole, for that update on the side of the Morms Patriots. Now, Morms basketball. Puche, inbound. Looking for his teammate. Passes to Mataba. Padaya with the ball. Goes inside. Still from Palibino to Santiago. Second chance opportunity. Timeout was called by the Morms Patriots. 58-44. Malayo-layo pa po ang laban. 7 minutes and 18 seconds remaining. Back to the ball game, 7 minutes and 18 seconds. Para naman makahingi tayo ng update on the side of the NCF Cubs. Let's go over ko sa reporter Amanda. Amanda, anong balita dyan?
58-44, that is the latest score for the fourth quarter. Started it strong and they will finish it stronger. We are now witnessing the NCF Cubs in their 2-3 zone defense. Talagang ipinapakita na ang kanilang adjustment sa depensa at ang kanilang fast movements inside the hard courts para makuha ang kalamangan laban sa Morms Patriots. Humabol at magtrabaho pa sa loob ng hard court, yan ang paalala ng coaches during the huddle. Kaunting kalamangan lamang na kayang-kayang tumbasan ng NCF Cubs this fourth quarter. Communication, that is very essential sa NCF Cubs as it will help them to cooperate with one another. And of course, the communication will be the key for them to clinch this battle. Defense and go hard, yan ang sabi ng coaches bago matapos ang huddle kanina. And titignan natin kung makukuha nga ba ng NCF Cubs ang semifinals rounds laban sa Morms Patriots. Yan lang mga updates mula dito. Balik sa'yo, Kyla.
Of the NCF Cubs, they need to go hard. They need to double their effort when in terms of defense and proper execution in terms of offense. Dahil makikita po natin with this matchup, lamang sa depensa itong Morms Patriots, kaya marami ang nako-convert na turnover nitong NCF Cubs. Tama yung sabi at reminders ng coaches that if they really want to win this game, they need to double their effort, especially on defense. Depensa muna bago opensa. Kung gustong-gusto talaga nilang makuha ang kampyonato, kailangan nilang bumawi para madepensahan ang kanilang corona. So let's see kung ano ang magiging desisyon ng ating referees after that last sequence dito sa bakbakan ng Morms at ng NCF. But for now, batiin muna natin ang ating mga teambahay. Shout out kay James Apoha, Aldwin Nailgas, Dan Severo, Ralph Lawrence Lazon. We also have Juris Guisek, Earl Vincent Bautista, And also Ryan Regalado, maraming salamat po for supporting Bukal Season 7. And of course, all of our live audience here at the Ateneo Gymnasium, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtutok at pag-abang ng bakbakan na ito. 7 minutes and 4 seconds kung sino ang makakakuha again ng panalo, they will advance to the final round. At maghihintay na lamang ng kanilang makakalaban between the ACLC Hawks and the Annunciation Junior Panthers. And of course, supportahin po natin ang ating second game for this afternoon, the play-in round of the USI Seniors, USI Falcons, and the Shepherdville Rams, 6:30 p.m. After this game, dito lang po yan sa Bukal and on our official media partner, the NXT Sports. So let's see if ano magiging desisyon ng referee. They are now here for the decision. Unsuccessful ang coach's challenge. Now, ball possession. Pucha to inbound. Passes to Mataba. Mataba heavily guarded by Palibino. A pass with the ball. Heavily guarded here by Desquitado. Skin by Regalado. Nakuha pa rin ni Mataba. Papadaya for 3. No good. Rebounded. What is this? Namali. Itong isang player. That is Puche of the Morms. Namali ata ng landing after that last sequence. Now we can hear the coaches that no room for complacency. 6 minutes and 32 seconds. NCF Basketball, Desquitado, inbound. Still, libreng-libre Padayaw. Time out was scored by Coach D. 64 to 46, 6 minutes and 24 seconds. Back to the ball game, NCF basketball. Desquietado. To Lucy on the inside, passes to Hombre for 3. No good. Rebounded by Abache. Heavily guarded here. Ball possession pa rin ng Tigers Cubs. Camels with the ball. Heavily guarded by Padayaw to Santiago. No good on that jumper. Rebounded by Abache. Passes to Regalado. Back to Padayaw. Padayaw heavily guarded by Desquietado. Regalado with the ball. Padayaw goes inside, but nandyan si Abache. Abache goes inside for the layup. That's good. Plus a foul for Abache. Five minutes and 33 seconds. Abache on the free throw line. Rebounded by Santiago for the Tigers. Palibino with the ball. 66 to 46. Malaki pa rin po ang kalamangan ng Morms. Palibino to Lucia. Now Palibino goes inside. Wow, a good assist. Palibino to Santiago. A good communication. Rebounded by Santiago. Sayang nung layup ni Padayaw. Lucia goes inside. Heavily guarded by 2. Traveling violation. Abache with a ball for the Morms. Na mali ng pasa, andyan si Desquietado. Bete ng layup. Mataba. Padayaw, libreng-libre. Traveling violation. Four minutes and 42 seconds. Camis goes inside, heavily guarded. Passes to Palibino for 3. No good. Andyan si Santiago. Good rebound. And backs out from Santiago. Jersey number 3 have regarded here. 4 minutes and 19 seconds. 16 points na lamang po ang Kalamangan pero malaki-laki pa rin yan. Knowing the time is very short, 4 minutes. No good on that from Padayaw. Padayaw is down. Padayaw is down. We hope for better. Dahil isa siya sa key player nitong Morms Patriots. (66-50), 16 points ang Kalamangan ng Morms Patriots. Now, SF Basketball. Traveling violation. SF Basketball, Camels with a ball. 4-3. No good. Abache. 3 minutes and 42 seconds. A good conversion and communication of Abache and Mataba. Goes inside. Jumper. That's good for Lucia. Abache loses the ball. And CF Cubs heavily guarded here. Passes to Lucia. Lucia looking for his teammate, and Johnson Desquitado goes inside. Wow, was called for Padre. Assist with the ball, heavily guarded by Desquitado. Passes to jersey number 3. Now Mataba taking his time, communicating with his teammate. Nabitawan. Abache to Padre. Now Mataba again. Heavily guarded. Abache. Shot clock violation. 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Palibena with the ball. Lucia for 3. Recovers at still. (68-52). Denied by Santiago. Sabi ni Santiago, hindi pa tapos ang laban. We will fight for the Tigers community. Palibino with the ball to Desquitado for 3. Another rebound for Santiago. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. One minute and 46 seconds. Hombre with the ball. Passes to Desquitado for 3. No good. Kakaagawan. Loses the ball. Padre, heavily guarded. Nasalo ni Hombre for 3. No good. Time out was scored by the NCF Cubs. 1 minute and 21 seconds, 68 to 54. This is a win or go home round. If magtuloy-tuloy ang momentum, the Morms Patriots will go directly to the final round at maghihintay na lamang po ng makakalaban sa dalawang koponan na Annunciation or ACLC. Pero pag nakahabol pa ang Tigers, they still have time. Pag nakahabol pa sila, they can still defend their title. 68 to 54, malayo-layo pa ang kalamangan. 1 minute and 21 seconds. Automatically, ball possession will go on the side of the Morms. Pucha with the ball. Loses by jersey number 3. Lucia for 3, no good. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Block. Padayaw. One minute, 68 to 54. In favor of the Morms Patriots. Padayaw taking his time, 58 seconds. Padre goes inside, layup, that's good for Padre. He is very consistent, 43 seconds. Another steal, libreng-libre, Padayaw. Nadalawahan na itong si Padayaw. 35 seconds, 72 to 54. Hombre with the ball. To Palibino. Santiago. Palibino goes inside. Na. Still ni Mataba. 23 seconds. And ito na po. Ito na po ang winning moment. Three seconds pa pala. Pero nagsasaya na ang Morms Patriots. And that concludes our first game for today. Morms Patriots got the win and they will now advancing to the final round. Maghihintay na lamang sila kung sino ang makakalaban nila sa dalawang koponan, Annunciation Panthers and ACLC Hawks. Congratulations to our Morms Patriots for advancing to the final round, and of course our NCF Cubs. Congratulations also. We know that they fought the game. Alam natin na lumaban sila hanggang dulo, but this win is for the Morms Patriots. Magbabalik po kami para makilala natin ang ating best player of the game only here at Bukal Season 7, Be the Inspiration.
lamang, paano kayo nag-adjust sa inyong defense and offense para makuha ang pagkapanalo for this semifinals round?
Ano lang po, nag-communicate lang po kami sa isa't isa at nag-stick to one kami para po yung depensa namin is yun pa rin hanggang first to fourth po. Yun lang po.
Okay, aside from being stick to one, sa tingin mo bilang best player of the game, ano ang pinakamalaking naging ambag mo sa team ngayong araw na ito?
Siyempre po yung depensa po and hustle, siyempre yung puntos po is ano lang, bonus na lang po yan para sa akin. Yun lang po.
The defense and hustle, maraming salamat. May gusto ka bang sabihin, pasalamatan at shout out sa Morns Patriots and to your community?
Siyempre po, shoutout po sa mayor namin, Mayor Ann Gemma Anghoko. Salamat po sa palaging suporta ninyo. And Coach James, and sa family ko po, and sa buong Morms team po, teammates ko po, and sa baby ko po, Aliyah, and sa Garbin, and Alisa. Ayan lang po. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Julian Mark Padayaw, and congratulations. That concludes our best player of the game. Once again, this is Amanda C. Lazar, live reporting here only at Bukal Season 7. Be the inspiration. Back to the panel.
That concludes our game for this afternoon. Morms Patriots got their win against the NCF Cubs, the defending champion, and they are now advancing to the final round. Mag-aantay na lamang po sila ng kung sino ang mananalo for the semifinals of the ACLC and the Annunciation Panthers. Maya-maya lamang po abangan ang ating second game, the play-in round for the Seniors Division, USA Falcons and the SVC Rams. Ako po muli si Kyla Casuria. Dito lang yan sa Bukal Season 7, Be the Inspiration.